Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. The day after yesterday, we did not break out, which I expected, but no, we rejected the breakout right here, as you can see, with this wick yesterday afternoon, and then we got some major bearish fundamental news, which pushed Bitcoin down, and as you can see, it pushed the Bitcoin dominance up, which reached at a very high. It reached 59.7, so it's a very, very high, getting towards that level right here around 60%, which should be the top. And then we can start talking about some very bullish altcoins again. But no, I mean, at this point of time, look, it's the weekend. So what you can see right now is that the volume, of course, overnight went up quite high, up to $40 billion. We got some major liquidations. We got the highest liquidations since October the 1st. And I would say, like, if you take a look at the price here, especially also if you zoom out, I would say we're still bullish. Now, I cannot say the same for altcoins, and that's not what this video is about, but I do want to kind of warn you for that. Like, if I look at a lot of altcoins, like some of them are pretty close to getting some sort of a reclaim and getting some more bullish momentum because of that, but most altcoins compared to Bitcoin look like absolute shit. All right, and Bitcoin itself, like on the 12-hour time frame, we've been bouncing from the 382 fib here. So technically, I would still call this bullish. And even like what we saw initially yesterday afternoon, and we'll get to what I expect in a moment. But initially, the main cause of the rejection here was that the stock markets actually fell down a bit. Right, so the S&P 500, as you can see, it dropped all the way down from a relatively bullish opening. Idem detail for the Nasdaq and the Russell 2000. Dollar strength index is very bullish again. So that caused some bearish pressure. Then added with the escalation and the bombardments by Israel in Iran, and that brought us down here. That brought us these two spikes. Like I said, if you look at the technical situation now, we're holding up fine. So if I look at Bitcoin specifically, looking at a 12-hour time frame, I would say we are bullish. On the 4-hour time frame here, I think we're ranging. I think we are consolidating between this level right here, around 65,000, I would say. And it's fine if we drop down a bit lower as well. But this level, and then at the high, I would say it's kind of around like 68,500. It's a little bit right here is the top, right? So we're consolidating here. And honestly, given that the higher time frame trend is still bullish, in combination with the elections coming up, which I still do think can give us some more bullish momentum. I think the elections themselves are going to be a sell the news event, all right? So be bullish into that day. I don't expect, but it's still, what is it, like 1.5 weeks, 10 days, it's still 10 days away, I believe. So I do still think we can get some bullish momentum ahead of that. So that's why, given the higher time frame trend and the fundamentals, I would still, and overall, I do expect like the dollar strength index will continue to be bullish. So that's not great for Bitcoin, but I do expect the stock markets to continue to be bullish overall. So I think that's going to have an effect as well. So overall, I still do think that. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Like for the weekend, I think we'll just consolidate, and there will be some opportunities on altcoins probably, but ultimately I still do expect that, and maybe this is going to be the blow off top, right? So maybe this is going to be the top. Before dropping back down into 60,000, but I do still think we're going into those 70s before dropping down lower. And those are my thoughts for now. I think that's what you need to know. I'll be back in the afternoon probably with a middle of the day market update, so I'll keep you updated in that as well. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.